Hello everyone, welcome back. So guys, in this video, we'll see how we can implement LLM powered chatbot with the help of Vertex AI. See, I think you already saw how we can set up everything in our local machine. That means if I want to connect with my Vertex AI, so what are the setup actually I can perform. So setup wise, I already covered in my previous video, so you can check it out. So here actually, I've already prepared everything because see, most of the code are similar, whatever things we implemented previously. So make sure first of all you configured everything, your account, then your let's say configuration, everything you just prepared. After that, in the env file, just try to change this project id and region. So let me copy my project id. So just try to click here. So this is my project id, guys. Just try to copy and let's mention it here. Okay, and region, I'm inside US Central 1 only. I don't need to change it. Now the next thing, you have to create an environment. How to create the environment, I already told you. Okay, I'm using the same environment, Vertex AI demo. Now you have to install the requirement. So one more requirement I've added called Flask. So let me install the Flask because in this project I'm going to use Flask. Okay, Flask framework to create the front-end application. So for this, just write this command pip install -add requirement.txt. Now it should install the requirements. So guys, many people were asking me how to install actually GPU, NVIDIA GPU in our local system. For this, what I did actually, I created one video in my YouTube channel. Let me show you. So if you go to my YouTube channel, guys, this is my YouTube channel. You can also subscribe me here. Now, if I go to the video section, so here I already created one video. Here you can see the video, set up NVIDIA GPU. Okay, so here I showed you all these steps you can follow to set up your NVIDIA GPU for the deep learning task. Got it? So let's say if you're having good GPU and if you want to, let's say, execute open source or language model in your local machine instead of using Colab, you can refer this video that time. And make sure, guys, you subscribe to this channel because here also I create lots of content related generative AI, MLOps, then end-to-end project implementation, okay, computer vision, everything. Now let's get back. So I think installation is completed. Yeah. Now see what I have done. I created one template file and inside that, this is my HTML code, because you already know if I want to use Flask, I need a HTML, okay, HTML code to create my front end part. And again, I used a Bootstrap website to prepare this front end. I'll tell you whenever I'll execute how it will look like. Now, this is my endpoint app.py, and here I've imported all the necessary library. And these code are common. I think you know we are doing the authentication with my Vertex AI. Now, this is the route I created. This route is my default route. It will launch my index.html page, and this is my prediction route. That means whenever user will give any query, okay, user input, I'm getting the user input, and this input actually I'm passing to my model, and whatever response actually I'm getting, I'm showing in my Flask server. That's it. Now let me execute the application. So what I will do, I'll run this application in the port number 8080. Save it. Now I'll open up my terminal and let's execute Python app.py. Okay, so it is running. Now let's get back. Localhost. Now see, this is how your user interface will look like. Now you can give any command. Now here you can give any query. So I'll ask what is Python. Now send a request. You can also see the log in the terminal. See, I got the response. So this is the complete response I got, guys. Got it? This is the complete response I got. Now if you want to ask another query, just try to refresh. Again, you can pass that query. Okay. Now that's how actually what you can do. The previous RAG application we implemented with the help of Vertex AI, you can create your custom RAG. That means you can use your custom documents like we did one project like, I think remember, medical chatbot. So that's how you can use your custom documents and you can create this kinds of application. And this is the front end you can use as it is. Got it? All the HTML code I will share with you. So yes, guys, that's how we can also create LLM powered application with the help of Vertex AI. So yes, guys, this is all about from this video. Thank you so much.